Hey everyone! If you're missing bread on your low-carb or keto journey, today's recipe is going to blow your mind. We're making low-carb cauliflower bread. It's light, savory, and perfect for sandwiches, burgers, or even just on its own. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this simple and delicious cauliflower bread. 1 medium head of cauliflower, 2 large eggs, half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees or 190 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, we're going to break down the cauliflower. If you have a food processor, pulse the cauliflower until it's grated, or you can just use a box grater if you don't have one. You're aiming for a rice-like texture. Next, you'll want to cook the cauliflower. You can either microwave it for about 4 minutes or steam it on the stove until it's tender. Once it's cooked, let it cool for a few minutes. Then place it in a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth and squeeze out as much moisture as you can. The drier, the better. This is key to getting a bread-like texture. Once the cauliflower is dry, place it in a mixing bowl and add your eggs, shredded mozzarella, almond flour, baking powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Mix everything together until it forms a dough-like consistency. Scoop the cauliflower mixture onto your lined baking sheet and shape it into a loaf or individual rolls, depending on how you want to use it. You can also use a loaf pan if you want a more traditional bread shape. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and firm to the touch. Your kitchen will smell amazing at this point. Let it cool for a few minutes, and there you have it. Perfect low-carb cauliflower bread that's ready for sandwiches, burgers, or whatever you're craving. Subscribe for more great recipes.